Small and medium-sized businesses are the backbone of innovation. But running a growing business comes with unique challenges. Stretched resources, manual processes leading to mistakes, and the daunting shift to new technology. That's where Infor CloudSuite Industrial comes in. Built for small and mid-sized manufacturers, it's the smart ERP solution for mixed-mode environments. It's designed to simplify operations without sacrificing flexibility, packed with powerful capabilities to address every aspect of your operations.
But what makes Infor CloudSuite Industrial stand out? We provide end-to-end solutions for your exact manufacturing capabilities.
We start with our core differentiators: service, quality, and advanced planning and scheduling, or APS. Increase revenue through aftermarket service and improve warranty tracking. Improve quality with inline checks and non-conformance management to identify and reduce defects. With APS, you can dynamically balance demand and capacity in real time to meet commitments efficiently. And whether you're a job shop, make to stock, make to order, or focus on repetitive production, our manufacturing management capabilities support mixed-mode environments and product lifecycle management.
Manage complex supply chains effortlessly with CloudSuite Industrial.
Coordinate multi-site operations, standardize processes, and optimize inventory across all locations, all from a unified system. Improve operational visibility by bringing mobility to your workforce through warehouse and shop floor mobile applications. This streamlines operations with real-time tracking and barcoding, reducing errors and eliminating manual data entry. Customers and dealers can visualize their configured products, and that configuration is seamlessly integrated into CloudSuite Industrial. The result? Reduced manual transfer errors and accurate materials on the shop floor. Make data-driven decisions with visual analytics and reporting. Real-time dashboards let you monitor KPIs and identify trends. And with our financial management capabilities, CloudSuite Industrial ensures your numbers add up seamlessly.
CloudSuite Industrial includes the Infor Industry Cloud Platform, which provides seamless integration and a unified user experience and security.
We also offer our Velocity Suite, with out-of-the-box content and use cases that make process innovation easy and impactful using process mining, AI, ML, and Gen AI. Our expert partners play a critical role, delivering end-to-end implementation and working with you every step of the way to ensure you unlock the full value of the entire solution. With end-to-end manufacturing capabilities, industry-specific functionality, and powerful automation tools, CloudSuite Industrial is more than just an ERP. It's the backbone of efficient, scalable, and profitable manufacturing. Ready to take the next leap forward? To learn more, contact us today.